From dark to dreamy, a modest kitchen makeover with bold results. Stained wood can add charm, warmth and richness to our homes, but it requires a certain level of balance to prevent it from becoming overwhelming, dark or oppressive. The balance in this project had yet to be achieved, but there were elements worth saving that would help transform the space from dark to dreamy. Stained floors, ceilings and cabinets coupled with dark red walls made the space feel tight and outdated. While a small island formed an obstacle that interrupted the flow and function of the kitchen and didn't provide a large enough prep surface. The dual-loaded galley-style kitchen with center island created a bisected space with narrow working aisles, leaving the eating area underutilized and inefficient. The existing kitchen plan had tight circulation clearances and limited work surface. Foot traffic from the foyer flowed directly through the working area and in front of the often-used refrigerator. It was not conducive to entertaining or accommodating for multiple cooks. The breakfast table was not needed, but better access to the dining room was.